The 2025 Accord makes a statement before you even step inside. Honda's designers have created a sophisticated silhouette that combines athletic presence with elegant proportions. The fastback design flows seamlessly from the elongated hood to the sleek rear end. Up front, the signature Honda grille gets a modern refresh, flanked by slim LED matrix headlights. These aren't just for show, they feature adaptive technology that adjusts to oncoming traffic automatically. The profile reveals a longer wheelbase than its predecessor, with chrome accents highlighting the window line. Those 19-inch machined alloy wheels aren't just beautiful, they're engineered for both comfort and handling. But it's inside where the 2025 Accord truly shines. Let's step into what Honda calls their human-centered cockpit. The centerpiece is a stunning 12.3-inch floating touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But what really catches your eye is the digital instrument cluster, featuring customizable displays and crystal-clear graphics. Premium materials are everywhere you look. Real aluminum trim, soft touch surfaces, and available leather upholstery that would feel at home in a luxury brand. Check out these perfectly stitched seats. They're not just gorgeous, they're designed with ergonomic expertise for long-distance comfort. Rear passengers haven't been forgotten. The extended wheelbase translates to best-in-class legroom. These heated outboard seats and dedicated climate controls make the back feel like first class. Technology integration is seamless. Wireless charging, USB-C ports everywhere you need them, and an available 12-speaker premium audio system that turns this cabin into a concert hall. Power comes from Honda's updated hybrid powertrain, combining a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with dual electric motors. Total output? An impressive 247 horsepower, while still delivering up to 47 mpg combined. Honda Sensing gets an upgrade for 2025. We're talking about enhanced crash avoidance, 360-degree camera coverage, and Level 2+ autonomous driving capabilities for highway cruising. At night, the cabin transforms with customizable ambient lighting that creates a sophisticated atmosphere. You can choose from 64 colors to match your mood or stick with preset themes. Pop the trunk, and you'll find 16.7 cubic feet of cargo space, plenty for golf bags or weekend getaway luggage. The 60/40 split rear seats fold down for even more versatility. On the road, the 2025 Accord delivers that perfect balance of comfort and control that Honda is famous for. The new adaptive suspension reads the road 500 times per second, adjusting to keep you comfortable and confident. The 2025 Honda Accord isn't just another mid-size sedan. It's a statement that luxury doesn't need a premium badge. With sophisticated style, cutting-edge tech, and remarkable comfort, this might be the best Accord ever made. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the 2025 Accord. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more in-depth automotive content. Until next time, keep exploring the future of automobiles.